Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add decorative border in Microsoft Publisher. So let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video I will show add decorative border. Firstly, now going to the insert menu option. Now click for text box, then create a text box all page. Now going to the shape format option, then click for a shape outline option. Now for click, then click for a color. Now choose from a red color. Now going to the again shape outline option, then click for a pattern option. Now choose a pattern. Now for click, then click for OK. Then again shape outline, then click for widget option, then click for a 6pt. That is. Then you show add decorative border in Microsoft Publisher. Again, now going to the shape outline, then click for a pattern option. Now select from a pattern, then click for OK. That is. Then you show add decorative border my Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.